Can't believe you actually have this on video.
For the first time in my life, I've got saddle sores. Never, ever had saddle sores before.
You have a doctor to look after.
So Catherine's taking care of my saddle sores right now.
We'll see how well this one sticks. I didn't want to, because I don't want to pull your hair. So, your peach fuzz.
We're leaving beautiful Penticton, and now we are heading off to Kelowna, a big 100K day today over some spectacular wooden trestles. So it's going to be an exciting ride.
Yeah, it's going to be sad to see these guys go.
Bye, Kiki.
Really safe trip, Jeremy. It's been lovely to have you and Kaka and your dear mother. Anytime, your mom's welcome back.
Anytime.
And you, if you ask nice.
Okay. Kaka, are you excited?
I'm excited. Today is going to be a long day. We have 111 kilometers to do because we're going from Summerland just on the highway to Penticton. Then we're on the KVR to the Myra trestles. And then from the Myra trestle area, we're just on the regular road about 24K down to Kelowna.
So here we are in downtown Penticton, beautiful Penticton, riding along Lakeshore Drive, just taking in the sights before we start heading up on the Kettle Valley. Love Penticton. How are you doing?
We are at kilometer 0 at the beginning of the KVR in Penticton. Just climbed up the stinky, short little climb up Vancouver Hill, past the lovely bench coffee shop and market. We didn't stop for coffee. Yeah, looking forward to a long but challenging day. Adventure on!
We know the first part of the KVR here is relatively nicely graded and paved, so it should be easier than some of our other riding thus far. Nothing. This, of course, is the wine capital of Canada. So everywhere you go, these beautiful vineyards and orchards. The grade here is about 2%. And that's about as steep as it gets on the KVR, because the old trains couldn't go any steeper than that. These little channels that they've had to cut all the way along the route just so they can maintain that 2-degree incline or gradient. It's just amazing. The amount of engineering that went into building this railway is crazy.
Tonight my heart is on fire and I can't help thinking
I just love riding through these little corridors of trees. Pretty amazing. Yeah, as I was saying, probably the most amazing views. This is it on the KVR, and that's Okanagan Lake behind us. Anyway, it's been a beautiful ride so far.
Still I got you. My body's burning, my darling. Please let me free. Tonight we can fix everything under the moon. I can see your eyes, babe. Tonight I just want your love above the stars. I only see you. My desire keeps growing up and it's getting out of control. Babe, I can't tell you the truth about love.
Yep.
Alrighty. Hi.
Just saw a couple of bears. Oh gosh. Yeah, just saw a couple of bears just running off into the woods there.
Wow.
This part of the trail is all sand and it just wipes you out. Anyway, onward.
We're at lovely Chute
Chute
Lake
Lake.
now, we just had a bite of lunch.
How are you feeling about the ride, honey?
The first 50K was fine. Talking to some of the folks who come the other direction, they say it's really rough for the rest of the way to Kelowna, so maybe a more challenging afternoon, but yeah, it was...
But it will be predominantly downhill.
Yeah. The sand, there was quite a bit of sand, but this time with our bigger tires on and our more knobby tires, I actually was able to remain upright. So I actually kind of enjoyed it. I mean, other than it slows you down because it's like, you know, going through molasses. But I was like as Kirsten said yesterday, a horse smell in the barn, you know, as we were getting to Chute Lake, because I knew we'd get a bit of a break and a fill up here. fill up our Gatorade and our tummies.
And some Coke.
And Jared, what about, how were your new Giro gloves?
Oh, I wish I had these gloves 300 kilometers ago. Super gel.